Yo, we are back. Still trying to get my rank 25 win. I've been playing some other stuff. I did some random Monster Slayers video, which is like a game from 2017. I really like it. That one is actually more similar to Slay the Spire. That was very random. I did a Neoverse video as well, which didn't seem that bad at first, but then I was actually trying to do like a full run video, and that game isn't very good. Like, I'm actually surprised it has very positive on Steam, because not very good. Not very good. Which is actually a testament to the quality of this, because this is very good. So it makes me like this even more. So we want our win. So it has to be Stygian, maybe Hellhorned, because it's actually quite good now, or the good old big guy with the lady in front, right? That's the ones that work. I haven't done that in a while, so let's try that. And I really like with Hellhorned now. So yeah, I'm not gonna go back to Neoverse. This isn't very good. Here we go. I guess, I mean, even more props for a nothing from Era for hooking me up with the game, with the Neoverse, because I almost got the monthly, humble monthly just for that game. So I'm glad I didn't waste my money. Actually, it wouldn't even be money. I still have one. Oh, we can try this. This can be amazing or terrible. It's one of the two. I actually still have 1 month of humble monthly to use from like a yearly sub I got more than 1 year ago. I keep pausing it now, but still, I'm glad he hooked me up with the game, so I wouldn't have to waste money. Okay, I mean, whatever. You go here. You go here. You can. Oh yeah. So like, yeah. This is bad for this, because these are usually 0. Yeah. That artifact on earlier ranks, it was like basically broken, but lately I've been getting it, and I'm actually been screwed more than I've been lucky, to be honest. I guess because in these later ranks, everything has to be so specific. You have to play everything how you want. If something's not the price you could get like a big spell for 0, but you can also get very unlucky and break your combos, basically. We can do whatever. Like do this. This is the problem if I don't get a buff. I can go here. You can go here. You can go here. Oh, we did get a buff. Yeah. Oh, we have 2 of them. Okay, cool. That's fine then. I can't put this should here because it costs 3 because of the artifact. Yeah, man, that artifact, I don't know. Well, I do know. It can be amazing and it cannot be amazing. Whatever it is. Let's play this fast enough. Let's do a fast one. Okay. Another buff. I don't know one of these guys. Sure. This goes well with him. Even more like armor. This is really good. Well, the problem with the artifact, it can be like, you know, cost 3 and it's shit. We have to go this side because we need a combo lady. We didn't get her. That's not good. That's not good at all. Oh yeah, so these are useless? I forgot, I almost used it. These are useless. Because of this. Whatever it costs, it doesn't matter. I mean, I guess I can put random damage on a torch, it's good later at least. Huh. Bit of a waste. A bit of a waste this was. I should have gone this side. But you need a combo lady. Oops, sorry. It's my coffee. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna buy Griftlands when it comes out on Steam on the 15th. That's another card game. I heard that one's good, so Maybe I can do some good videos on that. Yeah, this is fucking me over. Actually fucking me over. I want this or like this row, so you can get stacks from the random drags that die. I mean, I guess I kill this for the spikes. This goes away. Man, this is really fucking me over. I can't kill this. Yeah, this is going badly. Actually going... How? Why do I have so many of these? Why do I have 3? Why do I have 3? You only get 2 cards. 2 random cards of each. Right? Usually? So I got 3 in this at the start? No, I got the imp, right? That's weird. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, this was I didn't get a torch. That sucks. Let's buff him. I guess buff him once. And use a drag. Sure, everything dies. The boss is next. Now I get the torch. Let's put one of these here. I mean, I could draw, but whatever. Put one here, he's gonna die. This as well. I can kill my imp. Just so I have a spot here for another one. Yeah. Advanced level, please. He's gonna die from stacks. No, he's not. He's still gonna die from stacks. What the fuck? Kill this one. This is fucking me over. I need to buff him even more. Now he dies. Jesus Christ. Let's get a res. All the reses. Not very good. Horrible. Piercing is always good. Again, I need a combo lady. Nope. This is going actually terrible. This is going actually terrible. Magic power on this. I mean, I guess we purge again. I mean, whatever. Yeah, you can go. Fuck off. Maybe you come back useful. Yeah, this one, pretty sure this one isn't gonna be saved. No combo lady. Artifact is fucking over. They explode twice. This is the shit floor. I can kill it. Yeah, I have some zero costs here. Got some good money value here. So 0. Let's get the money one. Wait. No, let's get this one. It's safer. Buff him. Kill this. He gets buffed. Put one more. You lose Randy. Yeah, you can block one. He gets buffed. You can go here. You can go here. I actually lost more health than I wanted. Okay, hits our armor imp. That's good. Lost one. More buffs, which is good. I need to kill this. No, I can't use the buffs because the artifact is fucking me over. Yeah. Yeah, this is fucking me over a lot. A lot. What is here? This doesn't matter. Explodes twice though. Explodes twice. Okay, so what's the better play here? This is 0 cost. Like do this. And then here, kind of want to get rid of this imp, to be honest. Again. Yeah. Oh, that costs 2 though. Fuck. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. But this here in front, you can block. Yeah, he can die. That's perfect. Doesn't get any damage. And then, yeah, 12 damage on him. Sure. He's getting buffed. He's gonna get some money. Fuck this face lady. This dies. Perfect. I can't use both buffs because this one is fucked. I don't want to. No, I don't want to use 3 mana for this. No. Let's buff him. Kill one. And then, like. It's gonna die. Whatever. I don't want to draw him. I don't want to draw him. And some money value. He's actually getting low. I can res him, in theory. Let's buff him more. Let's... Oof. That was scary. That was scary. He kills him, he kills her. So he doesn't die. He dies, I mean, he doesn't die. What can we do here? 2 reses for sure. Doesn't change much. I can kill this. This, at least he hits one of these hits here for 0. And now he dies, perfect. And now I buff him a bit more. Oh, actually, I should have just do this. This has piercing, I forgot. Yeah, this has piercing. It's also not always easy to play and comment at the same time. Trust me, you miss a lot of obvious things. Well, now this kind of want to have mana. I kind of want to have mana. This is really good. This is actually doing some decent damage now, but this is really good. I didn't get the lady. Well, this is good now because it costs 0 to 3, so this for sure. And now I need capacity because that's a big lad. That's a big lad. Okay, so no lady this time. I guess we finally heal and get some money and the artifact. I want to upgrade my new guy, but I want to heal, man. I want to heal now. Yeah, that artifact. Yeah. I guess this. It's a weird combination, but okay. I'm actually kind of excited for Grifflands. It's a clay game. Apparently, it's been out on the Epic Game Store for a while now, but I don't really use it. I'm not opposed to using it. I just don't use it. Okay, so this is our shit row. You can go up here, yeah, for 0. In case there's an angel here. This is the harvest one. I want three spaces for the big guy, So you can go here. We'll buff him. Can't kill this. I'm gonna get a shit card. Give him armor. And this guy can go here. Oh, and now this is at 0 cost. Perfect. Because of this. Perfect. Okay. Here's our big lad. You can go here. Here's our piercing thing. It's gonna kill him. That's perfect. Here, I mean, you can go here. You can die, I don't care. Just for a stack here. Buff him again. And... I mean, do this, I guess. And you can go here as well. And you can do this as well. Perfect. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. We don't have room for the armor. I could kill him. Oh, no, I can't. No, I can't. So... I mean, sure, you can get the value from both this dying and these guys dying here as well. Oh man, I really want to put him here, for fuck's sake. No, I can't put him here either. That was a waste. Oh well. Oh, someone survived this row, really. I have him again, for 3 though. This guy doesn't die from him, really. Huh. What's the best play here? I don't want to waste 3 mana on this. We can kill these 2. That's the better play. Do I have a buff? I don't. This kind of looks like the buff. So we don't. So let's kill this one. Kill this one. So I don't get a card. He takes 6 damage. That's fine. He doesn't die. That's not fine. Let's not put him here in case this guy comes again for 0 or something. Let's not put him here. Let's put him up here. And now this is 0. Let's put him here. Okay, now this is 0. Lol. Now this is 0. Lol. Okay. I thought it was just for the first unit, but it's for all the units. The boss is next, so I guess we're gonna go buff. Buff. Yep. He's very dead. Of course he is. Of course he is. Okay. This is very good. I have 1 res, but I'm very, especially without the combo lady, I'm very paranoid about resing him. So let's get the res. And this is amazing. Not amazing. I actually like the other one more. The one that costs 1 dozen days. But this is good as well. And the rest aren't, so. What? No. Oh, that's actually not bad. Nah, you can hold on to it. Let's see what he does after. Okay, so heal. Yeah, heal and upgrade my guys, for sure. For sure. More money as well. I have a ton of money. Not bad, not bad. I want this guy big though. Oh, it's bigger like this. Wait. Oh, multi-strike. Lol. Yes. Yes. And then I can do this. Maybe. And then do this. And reroll. And then do this. Oof. Oof. Yes. Yes. Rage. I mean. No. That's a waste. That's a waste. Let's purge. One more of this. The torches are shit, but I'm hoping I get some magic power or something. So here's a funny story, by the way. Like I said on the video, I did this is a shit for. I did a Monster Slayers video, which is like a 3-year-old game. It's from 2017. It's a very indie game. It's like Slay the Spire, very basic. I really like it though. But it's on sale on Switch. I thought, oh, it's on sale on Switch. I'm gonna try and raise some awareness because I think people should buy it. And I made a little fun video with a run, posted it, got a trademark warning or whatever those things are. Like, oh, cool. That's what I get for wanting to be nice and raise some awareness for a random indie game. That was so funny. I mean, my channel isn't monetized, so it doesn't matter. Whatever, I don't care. I can keep the video. That's fine. But I thought it was funny. I tried to do like a random nice thing, and I got a warning. Oh well. I guess they don't know. I don't know. I thought it was weird. Let's buff him. I mean, whatever. It doesn't matter. And then. So if I kill them now, they get buffed with +4. Actually, it's a bad play. Actually. Yeah. It doesn't fit here, which is a shame. I would get a lot of money here. What can you do? It does fit here though. So he's gonna go here for sure. Give him armor. More armor. All the armor. Oh, okay. I didn't see. I didn't have that mana. That sucks. I'm gonna lose the money. So I guess, yeah. Do this. Whatever it's. Oh, never mind. I forget I have this. Never mind. I killed her. Oh, she doesn't die. Wait. Yeah, I'm actually gonna use 2 on her. Yep. Yep. Oof, that multi-strike. That multi-strike. Okay. So 1, 2. I can kill this with the piercing. That's why it's amazing, piercing. Not sure what I can do here. I mean, I can use him here. It's 3 mana. He's gonna go away with a lot of health. I can't do this anymore. I can't do much. If I kill one, only this guy hits him, and he's gonna get away. He's gonna get away. So I guess I should put more guys up here. Yeah, put one more guy here. These are gonna die. Oh, I can put this one. Fuck. I can put it on down here. Now this costs 0. I put him here. Wait. Why didn't this work? Right? I mean, did it proc on this thing? I don't think it can. Oh well. Oh well. Whatever. Can I kill this? Ah, no. No. This is just 5 damage. No way. Can kill one of these for 3. That's definitely the better play. I mean, it's 3, but whatever. No, I can't kill this at all. Oh well. This is 0 now. So this is 0 now. Right? So this should proc this again, right? Alright, this is 0 now. So let's kill this. Oh, so how come this didn't... This is... Oh, there we go. That's weird. Okay. Well, I can't do anything about that. Yep. That was actually a lot. Fuck me, that was a lot. What the fuck? I guess he was buffed. That sucks. I mean, let's buff him twice. For sure. That actually sucked. That was 42 damage. What the fuck? Can we do something here? Kill this. Do this. Do this. He's buffed. That's not good. And get a res on. They won't survive. They won't even attack, so I guess this does damage. And the torch. Yep, that's all I can do. Fucking lifesteal. Fucking lifesteal. Okay. Whatever. Whee! Okay, this is really good. This not so much, and this it can go on a random, like one of the random rows I don't have anyone on, but no. Let's do this. Okay, so this could be good. I could actually sacrifice that armor imp. How many do I have? And those fire imps as well. I have 2. Yeah, it could be good. Okay, so he's back. So he's back as a 1-1. And I draw 1, it deals 50. That's actually really good now. Actually really good now. Okay, so a heal, which I do need to do again, a trinket maybe, and removal, or an artifact heal and spells. I think this side I need to remove 1, but I can do it with money, and the torches as well. I would like to improve spells though. Do I? This one has enough damage, and I guess this for more damage, for example. Or the torches as well. So this is a trinket. It could be shit or it could be very good. And for removal. And this is 3 things I could use. I need a heal as well. Yeah, let's go this way. This is floor 6 already. I didn't even notice. Oh. Wait. Wait. Does he get a lot of multi-strike? It's a demon. So he has multi-strike too? Right? Has to be. The other one... Does this trigger after the effect? I wonder. No, but this. Wait. Yes! 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 That's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage. Oh, I could do this. Yeah, remove the consume. Remove the consume, but the cost doesn't matter because it's random. Yep. Armor is really important. And then a magic power on another torch, so they're useful. Yep. Cool. So it seems more and more likely that Bloodborne is coming to PC. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, this is the shit floor, and this is the rage floor already. I can kill this. What can we do here? Or do we want to set up here? We could set up here. Wait for the big guy. Not take this unnecessary damage from the statue. Yeah, sure. Yeah, because this statue here has no attack for now. Let's do that. Buff him. Twice. You can go up here. And then we can kill this one. I don't want to use this guy because I could use the Imp Explosion just for 5 damage. I mean, let's... I don't know. Whatever. And this is pointless. That's the statue gun. Rage there. Perfect. Here's a guy. That's unlucky. But I have to use him. I have to use him. Oh, we got to... Wait! Can we get like a chain going here? Can we get like a chain going? No, this is last unit, but that was good. That was good. Okay, rage here, not bad, not good. I mean, I think I want to use this, but I guess I'm gonna have to use this. Kill these two. I don't want to take 53 damage. Fuck that. Fuck that. Yeah, perfect. It doesn't take any damage. Let's put a unit here. Oh, I got lucky. Well, it doesn't matter, but... Actually, I want to use this, because I want to put the armor guy here for him. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Oof. And here he is. I can't summon him now. I can do it here. He does 50 damage to the front guy. That's good. I can do stealth on my guys. They can be attacked. I can put this guy here. I can put him here. And do a torch. The murder on this. Let's on this. Sure. I'm not getting any value this time on these guys, but it is what it is. I can only put one unit here. I mean, I can even put it here. That's ideal. No imp. Oh wait, I do have the imp. I'm not even taking damage because of the stealth. Well, let's save it. And here we can go. I mean, just for the 0 cost. I didn't get. No, I don't want to put this. I want to put buff for sure. And then, I mean, we can still res. Oh yeah, we can res this. Why not? Why not? Why not? And now this costs 0. Sure. And now this costs 0. Perfect. I mean, it's just for damage, but whatever. I mean, I can even do this. Yeah, sure. Oh, it costs 3. That damage is ridiculous. That damage there is actually ridiculous. We're losing 38. What can we do here? buff him for 0. That's for sure. Res something for 0. And it doesn't matter. So this is 0 now. I wanna do this for sure. Can I put this guy here dazed? Right? And do they kill all of them? I wonder. No. Almost though. Almost though. He's gonna still take a lot. I prefer. Well, he has 6 stacks. I prefer to give him armor though. I should get more. I have 3 of these. Yeah. Yeah. No, I killed him. He has sweep. That sucks. He's dazed. He doesn't die. No, he does. And here, I can put him here. I can buff him. That's for sure. Wait, let's put a. Wait, no. I don't have any 0 costs. I won't risk this not triggering. So let's buff him. He needs the stacks. He needs the stacks are more important. Okay, so what can we do here? Nothing. Torch him, and then here we can armor. Buff? Yeah, 6 stacks. I'm afraid he's gonna die from stacks, so armor, buff, and that's it. The stealth would be good, but hopefully this is enough. It is enough. It is enough. I even have the stealth here again. Yeah. Yeah. That's a lot of damage. Okay. Sure, more armor. I'm actually not sure. I think I want to get them. This is actually, well, this one kind of taking care of the mana. Capacity. I could go get those random guys, and I'm not. Yeah, let's get capacity. Because the random guys can give me mana reduction as well. So yeah, let's do that. Those imps as well. So heal, upgrade our guys again, or a copy on our big guy. Especially with the capacity as well. Yes, yes. I'm healthy. Yes. So remove our last dude and one of the shit torches. Get a copy of him. I have 7. If I have 8, can I go champion big guy, big guy? I can, right? 2 and 6, that's 8. Oof. Oh my. I won't get the armor imp, but like whatever, right? Or I can get a random floor with 3. And then they have to set up on that one. If it's a random floor with 3, let's see. If it's a random floor with 3, even the shit one's gonna be 1 less, so 6, but 3 more, it's 9. So that's even better. Even the shit one is even better because it's 2, 8, and I can still put the imp as well. I think this is a better plan. And this goes on the random floor, I guess. I mean, whatever hits that floor, even if it's the top floor, it's gonna die, right? Everything's gonna die for sure, almost. Because I want to use those imps, those armor imps. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's try that. Might be a bad play, but whatever. Upgrade him. We didn't get the combo lady. That's funny. We didn't get the combo lady. Okay, so this is a shit floor. This is a good one. Wait, what's happening? Okay, so I guess, like I said, that's the plan. This is a meat grinder. And hopefully I can get this. Okay, so he gets the armor for sure. And the buff for 0. This cost 0 is going to reduce something. So, I mean, this is whatever. 2, 2. Let's put him. Let's put both here. He's gonna get healthier. You go here. This. And this. This is an issue though, because I'm gonna get Ember drained. That's not good. I can't do anything about that. Oh, they both cost 0. They both cost 0. LOL. And buff him. He's gonna die. We're gonna get Ember Drain, like I said. He dies. He dies for stacks, that's fine. This is 0 cost. Should have been this one. Fuck. Yep. I'm actually gonna use this here, just so I don't get Ember drained. This. Yep. Not sure if that was a good play, but whatever. I mean, do I want to save him? I can. This is a wall. Oh, this has piercing. Oh, I didn't even notice. And now I can't use this. I can put this here, that's fine. This goes for my guy, for sure. This is 0 cost. This is 0 cost. This doesn't die though. He gets even more Ember drained. Fuck. This one doesn't. This one dies. Do this here. And this. Perfect. Our guy gets more armor. And I mean, this all dies, whatever. This dies as well, somehow. Why does it die? That's weird. He's fine. He's gonna die. I mean, I guess. Okay, okay. That's fine. Yeah, Ember Drain is a fucking pain. And here as well. What can we do? This to reduce something. I mean, let's block him. I can do it with this one. So this 0 now. This one. This is 0 now. Wait, what? That was weird. Another one of these, sure. Even more armor. Now this is 0. Yeah, I'm gonna get super Ember Drain, but whatever. Right? He dies. Can't do anything here. Too much armor. How come he died again? I thought he had like a bunch of health. I have 0 mana. Huh, he doesn't even kill him. Oh, we're gonna use stealth here, for sure. So I don't get Ember drained. That's for sure. And then we're gonna go this guy. Why not? Wait. He's gonna die. I should have used it after. No, that was dumb. That was dumb. Whatever. Let's try to get some 0 costs. On the buff, that's fine. And then that's it. I don't have an imp to blow up. Oh, perfect. I can send him up and daze him. Just so I'm not ember drained. If I send him up and daze him, daze 2. So it's 40, 40. He takes some damage, but I really don't want the ember drain. Or, I mean, the bot's still here. No, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. The ember drain is fine. So let's put this here. He takes damage. Buff him. I don't want to torch the boss so he doesn't get more stacks of damage already. I don't have a creature. No, I think I just buff him again, to be honest. Yeah. And a random torch, whatever. Yeah, I got Ember Drain, but whatever. Armor. This gets a 0 cost on this one. This gets a 0 cost on this one. I mean, sure. I mean, he's more than that. He's more than that. I got some money as well. Yeah, good luck with this. Good luck with this. Okay. Floor rate. So the video, whatever happens, will go up. Floor rate. I like to put my floor rate videos. This could save me. More armor. Both are armor. Yes, all the armor. Okay, so last floor. Health, upgrade spells, and a copy. I mean, I could. There are more floors for him. There are more floors for him. Right? Right? What do we have here? No? Oh, magic power on the torches. Not too late, but I still have some. I still have these two. This would be more damage as well to kill the back units. I don't really have cards that send them. Yeah, let's buy this. Buy this. And then... Oh, we still have money here. I mean... Hold over on the stealth, and I can be attacked. Yes. Yes. For sure. And this not so much. I actually don't want to lose the torches now. They kill the units. Yeah, that looks good. And we're gonna copy. Well. Huh, I guess we're good to go. Okay. Okay, shit floor, the meat grinder floor. So this is the one. Upgrade him. Armor him. Kill one of these. He gets buffs, whatever. So it's 3, 3. You can have 2 more. 1 more, I mean. So it's 3, 3. 2 spots. I could put this one here, but I think the imps are better. Yes. Can we get lucky here? With this. I can kill this. Let's try and get lucky. This needs to go either on this or on this. And then if this on this, this needs to go on this or this. Okay, let's try to get lucky. No! Fuck! Oh well. Oh well. Okay. Ember Drain. Fucking Ember Drain. We don't have our stealth. And they all cost a ton. Fuck. So, 1 for sure. This costs 0. You go here. Oh fuck, man! Why not? Yeah, this is going terribly. I'm getting screwed by RNG again. Oh, I lost him. I have no 0 costs. I have one guy and this one. Lol. Oh yeah, well, they all cost 1, so whatever. What? I mean, I guess he's proccing on this, right? That's the only explanation I have. That seems like a bug. Maybe it's bugged. Huh. This isn't good. Yeah. I got lucky with that thing there. He's getting low as well. I can go... Imp for sure. Buff. Can kill this as well with this imp. Are things that are not getting the buff? I don't get it. Unless it's proccing like one that's already cost 0, I guess, but... can I do some dazed things here? Oh yeah, it's burnout. Fuck. Yeah, that's why let's put him here. Oh, I mean, we can do this. Oh, this still doesn't die. Really? Oh, you can come back. Well. Oh, it's even better. Perfect. I could daze him. I could daze him so he doesn't give me Ember Drain, and this dies. This escapes, but whatever. Yeah. Yeah, he's dazed. Oh no, actually this takes the damage. Perfect. He's dazed here. I need to use this every turn. I need to use this every turn. So I can go this here, it kills a back unit. It's fine. These are gonna go through, but whatever. I can actually use him here, and this guy gets dropped to 40. So he only takes 2 hits. Let's use this first. Let's see what this procs on. 0. Okay, perfect. My stealth, perfect. So now I have the stealth every turn. And... yeah, whatever. Not this, so I guess armor on my guy, for sure. Okay. Okay. Where's my other guys? Here they are. Fuck off. There, he costs 1. This costs 0 now. Where's my stealth? Here it is. I'm gonna use it. I need to use it. No, I can't put him. Whatever. I can res. I can't avoid the... Oh no, yeah, I can, because it can be attacked. Yeah, perfect. So let's do this here. This is 0. Let's put him here. This is 0. And then... Wait, let's put him here, because I could put the big guy here. I can put him here. So, you go here. Oh, come on. Really? Really, game? You gonna do me like that? So the question becomes, is this enough, the stealth enough for when he comes? You know what I mean? Because he's getting actually low on health. Buff him for 0 for sure. And I have to do this. I can't risk putting a unit. Yeah, I have to do this. Yep. But they still had stealth though. I know, but I have to use it. So because of the holdover. Yeah, I have to use it. Ooh, fuck me, man. That's ridiculous. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, so close. Well, not actually not that close. Oh, he's losing stacks as well. Okay. Okay. And then torch on this. I have one spot here. I'm not gonna buy any cards here. Here's my thingy, my res. So you go here. And more stealth. And he doesn't die. Really? Really? Because I don't have enough stacks? And I have a res here. Unless I get a res, I'm fucked. This guy, I can't. This guy is fucking me. Well. Okay. Okay. This guy for sure. But then I can use his health. I'm so fucked. I got unlucky again with this. Most of it costs 3. I mean, I have to use this guy. 150 health. Yeah, I have to. This costs 0. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. Oh, we did it. We did it. Cool. We beat the game! Kinda, I guess. With a ridiculous draft. And with a melting deck, which I haven't done in a while. Awesome. That was awesome. Where's my achievement? Where's my achievement? Rank 25. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Cool. Oh yeah, we did finish the game. Look at that. It has an ending. We actually finished Monster Train. Awesome. Man, that was fun. I love this game. This is easily my game of the year so far. That was super fun. I might still do some videos on it. We'll see. But like I said, Griefland is coming out. I'm gonna do some videos on those for sure. More card games. I like to do some random stuff like the Monster Slayers video I did. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy yourselves. And once again, Black Lives do matter, guys. Stop being fucking assholes. Don't be those all lives matter guys. Those guys can fuck off. And that's it. I'm off. Bye.